Buenos días. Okay, so today's topic will be articles. We have definite articles and indefinite articles. Definite articles is when the noun you are modifying, it's like more specific. And indefinite articles is for unspecified nouns. Now, in English, you only have one definite article, which is the, T-H-E, the. In Spanish, we have four. We have el, we have la, we have los, and we have las. Now, it all depends of the noun. If the noun is masculine singular, we are using el. If the noun is feminine singular, we are using la. If the noun is masculine plural, more than one, it will be los. And if the noun is feminine plural, it will be las. Now, if the noun that you are modifying, it has multiple, like mix, boys and girls, you always go with the masculine plural. And we're gonna see some examples. And now in English, you will use the all the time. It doesn't matter if it is plural or singular, or if it is masculine or feminine. So if we're gonna say the teacher, the male teacher, in Spanish, it's el maestro. Why el maestro? Well, because it's just one and it's masculine. So it will be el maestro. El maestro, just one. But if that teacher is feminine, it's female, it will be la maestra. Because it's just one, but it's feminine. And in Spanish, we have to specify male, female, singular, singular. Now, what happens if we have two teachers and both of them are masculine? How would it be? Los. Okay, it will be los maestros. Because it's plural and it's all boys. Los maestros. But what if they're just girls? If we have three teachers and all of them are female, well, it will be las maestras, feminine. Okay, so las maestras. Now, if we have a female teacher and a male teacher, mix, and it's plural, we use los. If it is mixed plural, we always go for the masculine plural. Okay, so all of this in English, the equivalent is the, T-H-E. In Spanish, we have el, masculine singular, la, feminine singular, los, masculine plural, and las, feminine plural. But remember that if it's mixed and plural, we go with the masculine plural. Okay? Now we have the indefinite articles. The indefinite articles in English are a, an, and some. Okay, so a, an, and some. We have three. In Spanish, we also have four, just like the definite articles. We have four. We have un, una, unos, and unas. Now, when do we use un? When do we use una? Well, that depends on the noun. If the noun is masculine singular, we use un. If the noun you are modifying, it's feminine singular, we use una. If the noun is plural, masculine, we use unos. And if it is plural, feminine, we use unas. Now, if it is mixed, like feminine, masculine, and plural, we always go with the masculine plural, unos. Now we're gonna see some examples. let's say that you want to say in English, a girl or a boy. A boy will be un niño. Un niño. Because it's just one and it's masculine. A boy. Okay, a boy. Now, a girl will be una niña. Why? Well, because it's a girl, it's feminine, and it's just one. So we go with una. Now let's say that we have two kids, and they're both boys. So it will be unos niños. How many kids? Well, more than one. Well, that's plural. Unos niños. Now, if those kids happen to be girls, two or more, it will be unas. Unas niñas. This is more than one, plural, and they're feminine, all of them. Now, if we have a boy and a girl, we go with what? Unos. Boy and girl, mix, plural. We go with the masculine plural. Unos niños. So again, remember that the equivalent of the in Spanish, it's el, la, los, or las, and this is called the definite article, and it's for very specific nouns. And the equivalent of a, and some in Spanish will be un, una, unos, or unas, and this is called the indefinite article, and this is for unspecified nouns. Okay, so that's it for today for this topic. And yeah, we'll see you around.